Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we're doing a little unboxing, and we're doing it on the SONOS amp. Now, SONOS makes a lot of products, and we've shown you guys several products over the last several months. And on this particular product, you can use your own speakers. So this gives you the opportunity to use a little, kind of a better pair of speakers, or speakers that may fit your situation as far as where they're being installed or where they're being set. You can put a pair of bookshelf speakers, in-ceiling speakers. You know, kind of sky's the limit on this amplifier. So let's do a little unboxing here. Now it comes pretty cool. It comes with this nice kind of fabric, felt, I guess you would say, a little sleeve. Now check this out, pretty cool. That's the back of it. Now this is not very big. Here's the real cool part. So if you look on the top part, guys, let me get over here. See that? So it vents. So these are actually made to stack. So if you have multiple of these, you can stack them and they vent through this outer edge. Super cool. So on the front side, there's no controls besides these here. You get your play, pause, and push buttons on the front with a little navigation, you know, skip forward and whatnot, and status light. But on the back, now it comes with, it's really cool. I'll have to show you guys. It comes with these banana clips that put your speakers in there where they press in to these spots. So you got your left and right, and then you have your sub out. And then you have a line input. So let's say you have a CD changer or another component that you want to be able to play through. You know, I've even seen some people want to do it like a turntable. You can plug it right there. Now what's really cool as news, right here is an HDMI port. So this allows you to plug directly into your TV and then use the TV remote to control the volume of this amplifier. So that alone is pretty cool. And then you have your Ethernet plugged into the network. And then you have your power right here. So let me show you guys real quick that in this box, you have a bunch of accessories. Of course, you got your power cord. But here's something that's different that comes with this amplifier. You have these little pins. These pieces right here, guys. See if I can focus my camera here. See that? So these, you unscrew it like so. You got your positive and your negative. And you put your wire through those holes, screw it on, nice and tight, positive, negative. And then, nice and neat and clean, take your amplifier. And as long as you got the positive and the negative, so you have the red, and then you match the red here, they press in. So you can see that or not, guys, but your speaker wire, like I said, it's attached to these little things that are screwed on, and then they press right on in. So nice and clean. I like what they did here with the speakers. Makes it super nice and easy, and as far as your connections go. Now, one big difference between this amplifier and the previous version is the previous version was only 55 watts per channel. This bad boy is 125. So they've definitely upped the game in terms of power. And of course, this amplifier works on the SONOS app just like all the other SONOS components that we've showed you guys, whether it's the SONOS speaker, the SONOS port. So very easy to control with their app. You know, you can group this with other SONOS amps, SONOS speakers. You can play individually. Just a nice, cool product that's easily controlled and handle all your music. So now that's got more power, gives you more flexibility on what types of speakers to use. So very cool, guys. And it doesn't get all that hot. So you can put this in a fairly small area. So, and again, this is made to stack. So that's what this whole ring is all about. So when you do several of these, 2, 3, put a couple on top of each other. You'll be fine. Most components you can't do that or don't want to do that. But because of the bottom, it's also, you can see that. See, it's got vents off the bottom, and it kind of sets up off the ground. So when you set it down, it gives it room for air to flow. So very cool design on Sonos's part. They know that people are doing more than one of these in a home. You know, some people are doing several of these. You know, multi-room audio. Put one of these for every zone. Now, what's also cool is these can handle 2 8-ohm pairs of speakers. So very, very cool. So wanted to show you that, guys. Now I hope you're enjoying the video. Please subscribe, like the video, leave any comments down below. Guys, any suggestions or anything? But we got lots of more videos coming out for you guys. Wanted to show you this. We got more unboxings coming over the next couple of weeks. So want to wish you guys had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we're in 2021 now. So hope you guys have a great one. See you next time. Peace.